Welcome home to this 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath home featuring covered front and back porches. Enjoy the spacious kitchen with electric cooktop, wall oven, microwave and dishwasher, all replaced in 2020. Cozy living room with a wood stove for chilly winter days. The primary bedroom features barn-style doors, a full bath and convenient laundry closet. The main level also includes the second bedroom, half bath and office area. The finished walk-up attic has a landing area and third bedroom. New flooring in the bathrooms in 2023. Heat pump installed in 2024. Plenty of parking with the double carport, paved area and the detached 24x24 double garage. Many updated light fixtures. Plumbing drain lines under the home, vapor barrier, cap for septic tank, and termite treatment, all completed in 2020. Water heater replaced within